Okay, so this is going to be the market review for today, March 21st. To start, our range size was 39 ticks, so normal size. And then our first breakout happened at 9:24. We didn't retrace back into the range until 9:28. Even upon retracement, we want to see how price reacts. Next candle, we disrespect the bottom fortification, and then the next candle, we disrespect the top fortification, and we also confirm a false stay. And so with that, we want to wait for retracement with the opposite side. You can see here, price retraces back into the range, comes up to the bottom fortification, respects it, and then breaks out on the other side again. From there, price comes back into the range once again, violates our bottom fortification, but closes within it, and then price expands again, breaking outside of the range again. And something to note is that it is a Friday, and thus, a lower probability day, and we know that the period between 9:30 to 10 is very prone to manipulation, and you can see a lot of that happening here. There's like a wick gap left on almost every single candle, and after this second run up, price does not really move anywhere. We basically just come down to the top fortification and come up, only to come back into the range. And we did retrace deeper here. You can see price made it to the other side of the range and broke out on the downside. But as we did here, we came into a wick gap at the bottom of a New York profile from this week, and price rejected from there here, but a lot more cleanly here, which is what led to the final move up. But yeah, you can see we tapped into here, rejected, price expanded upwards, came out on the other side of the range, and then came into our top fortification, and we finally got a big move. Yeah, price expanded here. If I draw out my standard deviations, price came up to the second and rejected off a previous New York AM low. It was from Thursday, so yesterday. So we rejected from that low, came back down into our bottom fortification again, and rejected off of there. We got a much bigger push up. As you can see, price ran to the fourth standard deviation, and before that it was able to get over that wick gap it previously rejected from. And from the fourth standard deviation, we did reject. We came back into that gap. This is a perfect example of using a gap as an inversion, because we used it as support and came back up. And then we came into this wick gap here, which was a wick fortifying the London high. Rejected from there, came back down into this gap and used it as support once again, leading to where price is ultimately at right now, which is within this London high gap. So yeah, that is my review of price today. Overall, if you were able to limit your entries between 9:30 to 10, you would have caught the move up, since one happened here and another here and another here. But it is very easy to get caught in manipulation. But yeah, aside from that period of manipulation, price action today was overall pretty clean. The PM session delivered a lot of opportunities again as well. So yeah, that is my review, and if anyone has questions about anything, I can answer those now.